The secret to an even, long-lasting and matte makeup look is following all the right steps. One of the most important steps is to set your base in order to get all the steps after it right. We have put together a list of setting powders that we swear by and think may work perfectly for you too. This powder has got to be our go-to powder here at Glamorous. It fills up all our checkboxes. It comes in a variety of shades, it gives your makeup a skin-like finish, and above all that, it's extremely affordable. We have a tip for a natural and super easy look using this powder. All you need to do is apply a heavy moisturizer and then apply the powder all over your face. It will give you a light yet natural coverage. This super finely milled powder will bust all your assumptions about setting powder being messy. The packaging is convenient and keeps spillage and product fallout in mind. It comes with a mesh filter that allows you to dispense only as much product as you need for one application. Another bonus point, this powder comes in various shades that are specifically created for the Indian skin tone. Use this sweat-absorbing HD finishing powder with a fluffy brush for the face and a tapered blending brush for smaller areas like under the eyes and around the mouth where fine lines commonly appear. This is my personal favorite setting powder. As someone with acne-prone but not oily skin, I need a powder that can absorb my excess shine and still be non-drying. As the name suggests, this product can be used for baking over your fine lines as well. I normally apply a thick layer of powder under my eyes and around my mouth and dust it away without letting it sit for too long. If you have oily skin, you can let it bake over your face for a long period of time. If you have dry skin, you can lightly dust this powder over the areas where you get excess shine. Texture and visible foundation patches are something no one wants to see after applying makeup. Along with blending correctly, there's another thing you need to perfect a flawless base. A setting powder like the PAC translucent powder absorbs oil, smooths over fine lines and texture, and helps your base last longer. Dust this over your face with a fluffy brush after applying foundation and concealer. This product is also extremely affordable and comes with a good quantity of powder, so it will probably last you a long time. Store this away from moisture to extend its shelf life. This all-in-one setting powder does everything. It absorbs oil, it smooths your skin's texture, it helps your foundation and concealer last all day, and it also comes with a mesh guard to dispense small amounts of product without any wastage. What it lacks in shade range, it makes up for with all these aspects. The shade Banana should make up for most warm Indian skin tones, and the shade Medium would be just perfect for cool skin tones. This setting powder is very mattifying and perfect for oily skin. For other skin types, it can be lightly dusted over the face and brushed with some product over the oilier areas. Each of these powders will work for every skin type and skin tone out there. Now the choice is all yours. Which one of these will be the new addition to your makeup bag? Let us know which powder you will try in the comments below, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.